So there's 6 grease points on the back of the machine. It's the exact same on the other side of the machine, so it's both sides. You got first one, second, and third. Then we got one over there, and another one over there. So it's your 6 on the back. It's a total of 12 from each side. Over here on the arm, we got one down there, another one over there. Make sure we're cleaning out the grease. These ones get filled with mud, so it's super important we're scraping them out before we lube them up every week. And the last point is on the inside of the arm over here. Same thing, this one doesn't get as muddy, but definitely want to keep it clean.